Hi, do you know the power of mantras? Do you know what mantras are? Do you know to get the effect of mantras you need to practice for 125,000 times? Our yogis, rishis, they have been using mantras and practicing mantras since ancient time. Now my friend, it is a modern time. Now we don't have so much time to practice, to have the mantra effective. Mantras are very powerful. They are very, very powerful. But we don't have a time to do it. Now, I am Pradeep Aggarwal and now create a very powerful course on hypnotic mantras. Understand the meaning. Hypnotic mantras. Now, what is the difference between hypnotic mantras and normal mantras? First, we need to understand what mantras are. When we practice mantras, the traditional mantras, first thing is a language issue. What do you mean by language issue? Because most of the mantras are in the languages like Sanskrit, we don't understand. And sometimes we don't understand the meaning of the mantras because of the language. And when we recite them, the pronunciations of the words are not clear, and sometimes we don't understand what does actually the mantra does. But the mantras are powerful because it's a special word, it has been used, it has given you different vibrations. And it takes long time to get an effect because you need to practice for 125,000 times to one mantra to be set in your subconscious mind. And now, I have created a course where you can, same kind of mantra in a different ways, we call it hypnotic mantras. Now, what is the difference now? In hypnotic mantra, there is a simple English language, number one. Number two, each word is a powerful. So we have selected a very powerful words to have a very powerful effect on you immediately. Number two, you go into light self-hypnosis and then practice it. So you don't need to practice for the whole day of 125,000 times. 3 to 4 times when you mentally recite the mantra in self-hypnosis, it becomes 10 times more powerful and they instantly go into self-hypnosis. They instantly go into your subconscious mind. Why? Because when you are in self-hypnosis, you bypass the critical faculty of your conscious mind. So instantly the message goes into your subconscious mind and get programmed, number one. Number two, we use all our senses into it, like see, hear, feel, taste and smell. So make it very, very effective. And when you recite these mantras, because it is in English, simple English, powerful words, so you understand the meaning of those mantras so that whenever you are repeating, you start getting powerful pictures in your mind, powerful feeling inside your bodies, your vision changes and your focus changes immediately. And now, for this particular workshop, I am going to create a very powerful 20 mantras for morning time to use it, to become successful in your life. So when you wake up in the morning, when you repeat that mantra, you have been already programmed for the whole day to have a very powerful positive effect in your life. Now in this course, I am going to create a loop with the special music so that you can keep it in your mobile and listen to it whenever you feel, whenever you need to feel that you need to listen to it, or whenever you have a free time while, for example, waiting for a meeting or somewhere, you can just take out, put your headphone in with the powerful music, meditative music. These mantras you can repeat in your mind in a very special tone and voice. So just for example, without the music, I am going to give you one mantra to repeat right now with me. If you want, if you are okay with it, you can close your eyes, take a few deep breaths and just relax. Now repeat this first mantra in your mind, mentally in your mind. Now if you are alone, you can verbally use it. It is more powerful. Verbal is more powerful. Aloud, if you say it, more powerful. But sometimes what happens, you don't get a time, or you are not in a place where you can use aloud. So you can do it mentally 3 times. So repeat with me mentally in your mind a powerful mantra. If it is a morning time, it will be a very perfect time for you to practice this. Now repeat with me mentally in your mind. Today will be a wonderful day, filled with many blessings. Today will be a wonderful day, filled with many blessings. Today will be a wonderful day filled with many blessings. Now, notice when you repeat this, what kind of pictures comes in your mind, what kind of feeling you get inside your body, where you start focusing on, and what you are expecting thing to happen. Remember, what you expect to happen tends to happen. Repeating this affirmation, this particular mantra, hypnotic mantra, every day for next 21 days. You will, every day when you wake up in the morning, automatically, once it goes into your subconscious mind, every day when you wake up in the morning, you will be expecting it to be a wonderful day and you're filled with many blessings. Now, this is a powerful mantra. So, in this particular course, you are going to learn around 20 mantras like this, and I'll make a loop with the music so you can play and practice, but you will get the specific wording written down so that you can practice of your own. Now, how to practice everything, we will talk about it in our workshop. So, my friend, if you really want to master this hypnotic mantra, click on the link below or call on this number. Attend our 7-day WhatsApp workshop. We're starting on 19th of March. You will get around 20 powerful hypnotic mantra which you need to practice in the morning, and your whole day will be fantastic. You can practice these mantras any time in the day, but start in the morning. So I'm looking forward to seeing you personally soon. Thank you very much. Thank you.